to show you how to get 7x leverage on your yield farming using Earn on BiFi X. Normally to do this, you would have to repeat the same deposit, borrow process multiple times. But on BiFi X, you can get maximum leverage in a single transaction using Flash Loan. Unlike any other DeFi service out there like Compound or Instadap, it also lets you monitor and manage your positions separately, making it much easier to invest your assets. It's a one-of-a-kind DeFi service that will maximize the potential for DeFi lending for everyone. So let's get started. First, you need to have your MetaMask wallet connected on Ethereum mainnet, which I have here. You can click Earn. You can choose the asset that you want to do your yield farming with. I'll choose Ether. And put the amount that you want to invest, 0.05 for me. And you can set the boost, which is a leverage you get. And you can see that as the boost is going up, the amount of deposit and borrow below is going up. I'm going to set it to the maximum boost of 4x. You can see here that my deposit is 0.19, which is almost 4x of my initial input. It's not 0.2 because there's a little bit left for the buffer to account for fees and slippage. You can also see that borrow is 0.14 Ether, and this brings my total position to 0.35, which is almost 7x of my initial input. You can see the real-time interest rate for deposit and borrow, as well as the BiFi reward rate that you get for both your deposit and borrow. This gets me over 5% APY, but in fact, this is over 35% APY because I'm getting 7 times more than I would have with my initial input. You can see the fees here. There are 2 small fees, one for Flash Loan and one for BiFi X. Flash Loan starts at 0.08% and BiFi X starts at 500 BiFi tokens. But what's great is that if you have BiFi tokens in your wallet, you can get discount. The more you have it, the bigger discount you get, all the way to 90% discount on fees. You can see the detailed fee schedule on our documentation. So I'm going to start this position now. Confirm transaction. Great, the transaction was confirmed. The coolest thing about BiFi X is that it allows you to monitor the performance of each position separately. On other apps, you can't do this. All your deposits and borrows all get jumbled together and you can get liquidated together. On BiFi X, each position is separate and you can monitor the LTV of each position as well as your earnings, BiFi reward, your interest, and your principal. If you click detail, you can see the amount of deposit and borrow that you actually have. You can decide to claim BiFi. You can already see that BiFi is being accrued without closing the position, or you can decide to end the position and you can see the total amount of Ether and BiFi that you will get back into your wallet. I'm not going to close the position just yet and just wait for more BiFi rewards to pile up. You can try it right now on Ethereum mainnet. You can go to x.bifi.finance. If you have any questions, you can always go to the help at the bottom. And if you want to learn how to use the bet that lets you get maximum leverage and profit for trading, check out the other video in the description.